And now, JoeRods Garage Sale. If you're interested in any of the items in this podcast, please contact Joe at 219-916-9245. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Nothing Personal. On today's special episode, we are going to do a live garage show. And guess what? Anything and everything is up for sale. And who do I have here with me?
I'm Waylon. And I'm Mila. Thank you for watching this show. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks, little ladies. Appreciate it. We are going to look at everything that we have, from projectors to receivers to amplifiers to speakers. You name it, we've got it. And here comes your list. So right off the bat, we jump in with SVS Prime Bookshelf Piano Gloss Blacks. These bookshelf speakers are $659. So just let us know again if you're looking for these. And we also have a Prime Center Piano Gloss. This one is going for $395. And finally, we have Piano Gloss Black Towers, SVS Prime. These are, says sold in pairs here. We have them in stock for $995 each. So just let us know if you're looking for some SVS speakers. So anyway, and then jumping right back in with some JVC, we have
JVC RS1100 B stock on sale for $33.99.
nice.
Parasound A21 Plus on sale for $24.99.
Now all those include shipping as well, and the Parasound is a 300-watt two-channel amp, just in case anyone's wondering. We have a JVC B stock 2100. Now that one has 458 hours, and we are actually asking for 5,400, and that includes shipping as well. And then going into a personal situation, we have an uncle who passed away, and we have some of his items here. He actually built up quite a room that he was going to do, and then passed away before he could do it. So anyway, jumping right back into that, that's a little bit personal, but we will do it anyway. Emotiva. We have those on sale, this product here. We have 6 of these. He got 6 of these. We're looking for $1,050 plus shipping for the XPA DR1s. Those are true monoblock power amps. They feature a single differential reference amplifier module. Say that 5 times fast. Anyway, we're looking for $1,050 or, best offer plus shipping on those. We are moving right along with some more Emotiva. We have, Emotiva, XPA 7 Gen 3 7-channel power amps. We have 2 of these. They retail for $27.49. We are just asking for $19.99 plus shipping. I realize they just had a sale recently and they were like 25% off, but $19.99, pretty much brand new. That you get the box and everything shipped with them. So you're right back in. I don't even know if they're I think their sale ended anyway. So we also have XPA 86 1S mint like new. This comes with original box, obviously power cord like everything else in this set. These come pretty much like I said, mint. The XPA Gen is a fully modular audio power amplifier with high efficiency switch mode power supply. It's independent, fully discrete, dual differential, high current, short signal, class AB amplifier modules, optimized class HTM power supply, and microprocessor controlled fault protection. So it's got everything on this thing. So anyway, it's not like we're asking the moon for this one, and we are actually just asking $19.99 as well. So anyway, that's not bad. And we're asking $1,800 for an XPA 11 Gen 3 11-channel power amp. So that's another one, the XPA-11 Gen 3. So $1,800 plus ground shipping to whoever wants it. Hit us up and let us know, and we will be glad to get that over there to you. And then we actually have the reference CD player, their ERC4 differential reference CD player. We're just looking for $499 for that one. So nothing huge on that plus shipping. So that's a pretty good one. And then finally, jumping into what else he has some JTR Gnosis 215 RM mints. Now these retail for $499 each, or $5 grand each. He's got a full set of them, 3 of them. It'd be a nice left, center, right, a full set like that. You could do these we were looking for at least 12,800 for them around. We can do a little bit less though, so feel free to hit me up, hint, hint, and I will see what I can do. But these we need to be picked up. These are in upstate New York. We need these to be picked up if you purchase. And I also have on hand a demo, Epson QB1000. I used it to do my review. Has about 150 hours on it, and it comes with full warranty, and it is going for 6,900 shipped. So that's a pretty good price. Great image. If you did not read my review, check it out because you got some awesome screenshots showing what this baby's capable of. And then me personally, this is not through anybody else. I have an Epson Home Cinema 3800. It has 163 hours on it and comes with remote power cord, box, manual, everything, and it is good to go. Great image and ready. So hit me up personally for that one, and I will be more than happy to talk to you about that one as well. We also have Parasound 2250 version 2. So 2250's version 2. We have one of these guys for $799. It's a 2-channel power amp, in case anyone's wondering, 2 times 275 watts at 8 ohms. So that's actually a really good price, a good bargain if anyone's interested in getting an extra Parasound for maybe you have 2 speakers you need to run in the back somewhere, or you're adding something somewhere else. Maybe you're adding some surrounds or some back surrounds, some Atmos speakers or whatever. So that's a good idea for those. And then finally on special, we have this one, the Barco Medea. We have a nice Barco. It retails for 30 grand. We've just been asking for 15,000 for it. It has approximately 10 hours on it. So it's a great projector. Those who have seen it have loved it. We just haven't found it a home yet. We actually had it on display and we were using it in our Rochester demo room for a while. And now's the time for us to try and actually find a home for it. So we got to push some stuff out to add new stuff in. It's September. It's that time of year again. So if anyone is looking for a Barco Medea, please feel free to give us a call. If you want to join a Barco Elite Club, this is your fastest and easiest ticket and cheapest ticket to get in. So hit us up for the Barco Medea, and those who will be super glad that they did. It's a great buy, great find. Some of the items we have, we will not name prices. We'll just say we have it, and if you want it, give us a call and make an offer, and we will be glad to discuss with you. So we do have a couple of Marantz items in stock. We have a Marantz AV10, which is what I actually use and love. It's my true love right now for audio video processing. It gives the best of everything. You add direct live to it, and you are really you're in another dimension. So, and then we also have the newly released AV20. We have one of those in stock as well. So just hit us up with email or even call, and we'll be more than happy to discuss with you, what the availability and if you want to make a deal and try to get one. So that'd be a good one to grab as well. We also have in the world of HDMI cables, we have TechLogic's MOFO 10 meters, 48 gig HDMI 2.1 cables. We have 4 of these guys in stock, and they are 10 meters. So if you're looking for a really long run, a decent sized run, I should say, you can't beat a TechLogic's. We have those. We also have Monoprice commercial series 4K high speeds in stock. We have 10 of these guys in stock. They're 3 feet in length, so we have a bunch of Monoprice as well to go with it. We have actually all kinds of speaker wire size, lengths, everything that you could ask for. We have other HDMI cables. Don't be afraid to hit us up for cables. We have a lot. We have spools of it. We have everything you can ask for. So people don't think of us when it comes to that, but we have all kinds of Monoprice slim, premium, high-speed cables. We actually have 70 of those in stock. We also have they're certified regular ones, 6 foots. We have 7 of those, and then we have trip lights, 3-foot Cat 6 patch cables. The RJ45s. We have 21 of those in stock. So Monoprice 25-foot RCA plugs, and we're talking about audio here. We have 3 of those in stock. We have 25-foot Cat 6 Ethernet cables in stock. We have any type of cable you want in stock. So again, feel free to hit us up and just let us know what you're looking for, because I'm pretty sure we probably have it in the back row. In the world of Chief mounts, we have some of their extension adjustable columns. We have them in white, we have black, we have some of those available. We have all kinds of ceiling plates available from them, Speed Connect ceiling plates, 60-inch fixed extension columns. We have it all from Chief. So keep about that in mind. We do have plenty of things on the shelf. Definitive Technology, high performance center channel speaker. We have that one in stock. It's the CS9060 clearance item. We are just asking $425 for that. So that's a cool one to have in stock. Definitive Technology demands 7 high performance 4.5 two-way bookshelf speakers. Little guys, we just want $175 for those. And anyway, and going on to Denon, we have some Denon in stock here. We have the AVR 2800H. So the X2800H, we have 2 of those. We have the 3800H in stock. That's the 9.4 channel receiver, expendable to 11 channels with an external amp, which, hey, you can use that Parasound I mentioned earlier and get 11 channels out of this. Anyway, the prices are super reasonable. Call us and we'll be more than happy to go over them with us. And then we have a 6800H as well, 11.4 channel receiver. So, I mean, the combinations of things that we have is endless, as you can see here. I could keep going all day. We have plenty more on here. We even have an Integra DRX 2.4 7.2 channel home theater receiver. And we're just asking $450 for that. So, I mean, a lot of the stuff does not break the bank what we are asking for. So if anyone's looking for some stuff, they just want to do maybe another room, a third room instead of your main room, or you put them in your main room. But I'm just saying, if you already have a main room that's complete and think about adding another room to your house, well, this is your chance right here to do it because we've got it right here in front of us. And then jumping into Marantz World, we do have a 7dB black 7.2 channel, 50 watts per channel receiver, 6 HDMI inputs and 1 output. They support 8K 60 hertz at 4K and 120 hertz pass through. That's just $675. We actually have 2 of those. So those will probably go fast. So if you're really looking for a Marantz and you want to get in at a really good price, there's your best chance right there while we have them in stock. We also have an Epson Epic Vision LS800 Ultra. It's a black one. It's an ultra short throw projector, and I have one of those ultra short throw projectors, and it is awesome. And I can bring it around to different rooms in the house, and it makes the whole wall into a big screen. Screens are pretty affordable. You can just grab 1 or 2 here and there and put them in different rooms. Make them come down when you want them, have them up when you don't need them. Anyway, we are just asking $27.99 for this one. And just to reiterate what my girls had said, proud of them. That was a fun moment. We do have 1100 B stocks in stock. We actually have 4 or 5 of them. I think 1 already left at the time of the show going on. Those are the 1100 B stocks, 48 gigahertz HDMI B stocks. They come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, but we have a lot of people add a 2-year Mac warranty with them for just $238 more. And we are just asking for $33.99 for these. So shipping included, $33.99, and you can always add a Mac warranty if you like as well. We do have the B stock 2100 in stock, which I don't know if it'll make it through the end of this show because I did have someone call. I know you're saying, Joe, you're just trying to sell them, and I'm not. I had someone call and text me, same person, a little bit ago asking for one. So we were just asking $5,400, including shipping for the 2100 B stock JVC. And again, add a 2-year warranty, gives you 3 years right off the bat. And if you really want to sleep good at night, then add a 4-year extended warranty for $391. So anyway, long story short, you can get 5 years with that. And it's a good projector. They usually have low hours or they're battle tested by JVC. And this is going to conclude our first episode of our garage sale. I just want to say thanks for popping by, everybody. This has been a lot of fun. We are working on a Christie show next, and we will have it soon on the 4K 860. I am super excited.
This concludes another episode of JoeRod's AV Garage Sale.